Welcome and welcome back. I'm Nita at Nita's Home and Lifestyle TV. If you are new, then welcome. But if you are a returning family member, child, welcome back. Dust your feet off and come on in, because we in episode 10. Yes, we are in this final episode of my Christmas home decor series, which I am super delighted about because I get to announce the winner of the giveaway. But you have to stay tuned to the end to find out if you won or not. First, I do want to take the time to thank each and every last one of you that has been riding with me through all of these episodes. I thank y'all so much. And so to all of my subscribers, all of my family members, I mean, you guys have no idea how humble and grateful I am for your support, because y'all know it wouldn't be no Nita's Home and Lifestyle YouTube if y'all didn't show up. And so y'all, you know what, I would never get too big-headed or think my little channel is all about me, because it doesn't matter what goals I set, what milestones I look forward to crossing. That may start with me setting those goals and looking forward to those milestones. It may start with me, but ultimately it is with you. Because without your participation, it's unachievable. You know what? So guys, you know what? Y'all have been participating because it shows in my views, it shows in my comments, it shows in the likes. And you know, you guys have been so super amazing. I am so grateful and thankful for that. And because y'all have been such a blessing to me, I truly pray that the good Lord open up the windows of heaven, y'all, and just pour y'all out a blessing where there's not room enough to receive. Yes. You know, y'all, so on that note, I want to leave with happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and I love you. Let's go ahead and get into the video. This video is a collaboration with Yita Home. Yita Home sent out to me this beautiful TV stand, which can also be used as a credenza or a buffet. This is a 65-inch Martin rustic unit with sliding barn doors. And so I'll be unpacking and setting this unit up. And I did just show you the instruction pamphlet as well as the hardware that comes with this unit. And I actually really love this piece because, as you can see, it gives you that organic rustic feel, but I also like the sheen that is on the material because it gives it a little luxury look. Yita Home is a furnishing company that offers simplistic, streamlined furniture pieces. They also have the perfect pieces to help you create the perfect outdoor space because they do carry patio furniture as well as gazebos. You'll also find tons of storage solutions to help you stay organized at Yita Home. You can find their information in my description box below, as well as a Christmas discount link with up to 60% off your purchase. Be sure to head on over and check them out. Okay, y'all, so what you're looking at is me, y'all. I have to set myself up for success, y'all, because when you're trying to put together furniture that comes with a lot of hardware, it can really drastically go wrong. And so that's what I do. I set out all of the hardware and I keep them with the little packages that they come in so that I know what they are, because the labels are typically on the package. And what you saw was a screwdriver and an Allen wrench that also came with it. And I want to use my own power tools because it's much quicker. So I'll be using a hand drill and a hammer if needed. So I'm just putting together this, and I want you guys to see how beautiful it turned out. So guys, this is it. It is such a beautiful piece. And guys, I just set it up there in that location. This is not the permanent location for this. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with it or where I'm going to place it, but I also took some Christmas decorations from around the house and decorated this piece. I wanted to let you guys see what it actually looks like, but I really, really love it. And that is the inside storage. It's pretty spacious, and you have the same storage on the opposite side and the sliding barn door, which is absolutely beautiful. Let's go ahead and get into this Christmas home tour. Guys, you will be seeing a shorter version of each decorated room. However, if you want to see the full version of each decorated room, please be sure to go back and check out each episode of my Christmas home decor series.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Room at the table for big and for small. The fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. There's something that happens when something that happens when December ends, when December ends, yeah. Oh, it's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. It's Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. Hey there, buddy. It's just me again. Came into my mind last night, so I'm just checking in. It's been far too long now since I last saw you, my friend. So happy Christmas from me to you. Hey there, buddy. It's just me again. wonder what you're doing now. And if you're listening, I just wish there was some way things could have been different. But happy Christmas from me to you. Sometimes it's too much to handle. It's like I'm losing control. I'm struggling in the crossroads of being too warm or too cold. Hey there, buddy, it's just me again. You walked out of my life that time, and I guess I'm still wondering, do you still think of me sometimes? Or have you truly moved on? Anyway, happy Christmas from me to you. Oh, happy Christmas from me to you.
To announce the winner. Yay! But I want to let you guys know that this is the last video for the year. I won't see you guys again until the beginning of next year. So Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to you and your family, and I love you. Let's go ahead and announce the winner.